Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B. You know, we are in the chapter multiples and the factors. Today in this video session, we will discuss about divisibility by 5, 9 and 10 and their exercise 7.3, which is in your page number 112. So what is the topic? What do you mean by divisibility by 5, by 9, by 10? It means if a number is given, now you can easily check either it is divisible by 5 or not, either it is divisible by 9 or not, either divisible by 10 or not, right? In the previous session we have discussed about divisibility by 2, 3 and 4. Now let's start with new one, that is the divisibility by 5. When we would say that this number is divisible by 5 or not. So divisibility by 5, if the unit place, or you can say ones place, contains 5 or 0, then of a number, then you can say the number will be divisible by 5. Suppose I am giving you an example 155. You check in the ones place of the number, the digit is 5. Now check, is 155 is divisible by 5? Let us check. You know, 5 3s are 15 and bring down 5, 5 1s are 5 and the remainder is 0. So it is, the number 155 is completely divisible by 5. I am taking another example. Suppose 270. So now divide by 5. So you know, 5 5s are 25, which is the nearest to the 27. If you subtract, you will get 2 and bring down 20 and 0. Now you know, 5 4s are 20 and the remainder is 0. So we can easily say a number is exactly divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is either 0 or 5, right? Now the next rule, that is divisibility of 9, but divisibility by 9. The rule for 3 same as 9. I told you the rule for 3. Suppose I am giving you 126. How to check? Is it divisible by 3 or not? I told you. Is it divisible by 3 or not? How to check? So I told you it contains 3 digits, right? It contains 3 digits. So digits are 1, 2 and 6. Simply add them. So you will get 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So sum is 9. If the sum is divisible by 3, then you can say the number 126, it will be divisible by 3. And this rule will be applied for 9 also. Clear? Since so how can you say it is divisible by 9? Since we are adding the digits of the number and I am getting 9 which is divisible by 9. So I can easily say 126 is divisible by 9. If I take another example such as 6, 4, 2, 3. Is it divisible by 9? So simply add the digits. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. Is it divisible by 9? Check. So simply add the digits. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 12, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. So here it is 15 and you know the 15 is not divisible by 9. So 6, 4, 2, 3 is not divisible by 9. But 6, 4, 2, 3 is divisible by 3. But you can check the process is same. But here for 3 you have to check the sum. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then you can say the number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then you can say the number is divisible by 9. Okay. So if I take another example to check the divisibility of 9, it's 9252. So simply add them, the digits. So you will get 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. Oh, it is 18. You know 9 2s are 18. So it is 18 is the sum is divisible by 9. So you can easily tell 9252 is divisible by 9. If you want to check by division method, you can easily check. So divide 9 ones are 9, bring down 2. Yes, you can't divide, so put 0 here and bring down 5. You know 9 2s are 18 and it's 7, and bring down 2 and 8 9s are 17. You are getting 0 as a remainder. That means 9252 is divisible by 9. Clear? Now the next one, divisibility by 10. How can you say a number is divisible by 10 or not? If the number contains 0 in the ones place, so you can say it is divisible by 10. Suppose if I write 150 and if you divide by 10, 10 ones are 10, bring down difference is 5, bring down 0, and 5 tens are 50. If I take 1350 and if you divide by 10, 10 ones are 10, it's 3, bring down 5, 3 tens are 30, so you will get 5 and bring down 0, 5 tens are 50, so remainder is 0. So in every case you can check it is divisible by 10. So what is your conclusion? If the number contains 0 in the ones place, so you can say the number is divisible by 10. Clear? Now let's move to the exercise 7.3. So in exercise 7.3, question number 1 says, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? I told you for the rule of the divisibility of 2, if the number is even number, then you can say easily it is divisible by 2. So I am marking out some examples, some problems: A number, D number, F number, and G number. So I will tell you only these problems, and rest of the part you have to do by yourself, right? Now I'm telling about A. It is given 3276. Is it an even number or odd number? Because the ones place the digit is 6, so it is even number. So you can say this is divisible by 2, right? Hold, it holds. D number, yes, this is an even number, it is also divisible by 2. F number, since the number contains 3 in the ones place, so it is not even number, that means it is not divisible by 2. Similarly, this is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. And please, rest of the part, try it at least once. It's very easy. Try to remember all the divisibility rule, what I am talking about, and apply this rule, and I'm sure you will do it very easily. Now 2 number, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? I told you the rule is if any number contains 0 and 5 in the ones place, then the number will be divisible by 5. So if I choose question number A, it is divisible by 5 because it contains 0 in the ones place. B number is also divisible by 5. C number, yes, it is also divisible by 5 because in the ones place the digit is 5. D number, no, it is not divisible by 5. That's why I am crossing, cancel out, because in the ones place it is 1. So if you want to check, so please divide 3211 by 5. Okay, so you will get a non-zero remainder. Similarly, E would be not divisible by 5 since it contains 3 in the ones place. F number, obviously 0 is the one place in the ones place, so it is divisible by 5. G number and H number, please you try. 3 number, which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? I told you if the number contains only 0 in the ones place, so the number will be divisible by 10. So A number, B number, E number, and G number and H number, these are only divisible by 10, and C, D and F. This is not divisible by 10. Okay. What about 4? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? You know, I am choosing question number A. So you have to add the digits of this number. The digits are 3, 6 and 3. So if you add them, 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. Similarly, if I choose B, 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15, which is divisible by 3, then you can definitely say that this number is divisible by 3. Similarly, C number, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, you will get 3 and it is obviously divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. D number, obviously 6 plus 3 is 9 and you can say it is divisible by 3. Now rest of the part, please do it by yourself. 5 number, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? I told you in the previous video session that if the last 2-digit number of the number is divisible by 4, then you can say the whole number is divisible by 4. I am telling again, if the 2-digit, suppose I am taking a number, if the 2-digit number of a number is divisible by 4, then you can say it is divisible by 4. Now check 7024. You know 24, you have to choose 24. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, 4 6 are 24, so it is divisible by 4. So you can say the whole number, that is 7024, is divisible by 4. B number, the last 2-digit number is 40, so it is obviously divisible by 4, so you can say it is the divisible by 4. Now C number, it's 36, 4 9s is 36, yes, it is divisible by 2. 23, no, since 23 is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by 4, and rest of the part is your turn. Okay. C number, 6 number, is it divisible by 9? You have to check, but here you have to apply the same logic as you have applied for 3. Add the digits. You know 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Since the sum is divisible by 9, that's why the whole number is divisible by 9. B number, 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 plus 6 is 15. Yes, 15 is not divisible by 9, so it will not be divisible by 9. Similarly, if I check C number, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13 and 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 is also not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. D number, yes, because 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 is obviously divisible by 9. E number, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 is not divisible by 9. F number, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9 because 9 2s are 18, so it is divisible by 9. And G and H, this is your turn. Okay, so I have explained all. Rest of the part, please do it by yourself. Try to understand, and you have to remember all the divisibility rule, right? So thank you.